In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Hostinger like a pro. This step-by-step guide will ensure that you're fully equipped to manage and edit your website efficiently using Hostinger's user-friendly platform. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, let's dive into the process together. First things first, head over to the home page of Hostinger. You can do this by visiting their main website. This is your starting point, and it's where all your website management begins. Once you've arrived here, you'll see various options laid out to help you manage your site. Our next step is to click on Edit Website. This is usually located right on your dashboard. By clicking here, you enter the editing mode for your website. It's where the magic happens, and you can control how your site appears to your visitors. Now that we're in the editing section, you'll want to focus on the left-hand panel. Here you'll notice several tabs. Start by clicking on the Elements tab. This section is all about the building blocks of your site. Elements are the individual pieces you can add to your pages, such as text blocks, images, and buttons, shaping your site to your liking. Once you're comfortable with the elements, it's time to move on to the Pages tab. This takes you to a section where you can manage the hierarchy and structure of your site's pages, ensuring your visitors can navigate your site smoothly. After addressing the structure, let's focus on aesthetics. Click on the Styles tab. This is where you can adjust fonts, colors, and overall design themes to match your branding or personal taste. Styles are crucial as they give your website a cohesive and professional appearance. Hostinger also offers some incredible tools to enhance your site. Navigate over to the AI Tools section. These tools can help automate some processes, saving you time and allowing you to focus on creating content. Once you've acquainted yourself with AI tools, it's time to explore content creation. Click on the Blog section. This is where you can manage your blog posts, a fantastic way to engage with your audience and improve your site's SEO. Next up is the Store section. If you're running an e-commerce site, this area is key to managing your inventory, orders, and showcasing your products or services efficiently. Finally, let's take a look at the More section. This is where you'll find additional settings and features that might be useful for more advanced website management needs. And there you have it, a comprehensive tour of Hostinger's features to help you edit and manage your site effectively. With these tools in your arsenal, you're well on your way to creating a stunning and functional website. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!